Okay, this is just a quick demonstration on how to find free online resources. So if I were to type free online resources in chemistry, let's see what we'd find. And I have done this one before, but really I'm not going to show you how to search for stuff. You really need to think of all sorts of different versions of the question that you would type into a Google search and send it, and you will find useful stuff out there. In fact, this one came up very well for me because the Khan Academy has a lot of useful stuff. So we'd go to the Khan Academy, see all the materials that has there. Okay, now you should really check these out, of course, go through them yourself. So let's stoichiometry. Okay, let's have a look at that one. Okay, and there seems to be a whole set of videos here. So you really should check those out if you're looking for something. And if you're happy, say, with this page and you want them to go through that, this one, say you just want them to do the balancing chemical equations, you might take the link above here. Now, see what I've done here is I've gone up to the address bar, okay? And what I want to do is highlight the whole lot of that. Actually, if you just click in at any stage, click once, it will highlight it. Just make sure it's highlighted, and then using your right mouse button, right click and copy. Now that's taken a copy of what's written in there, which is the hyperlink to this page. So then we'd go over to our Moodle page, okay, and we'll go to the news item. This is the simplest way to do it. Okay, and we'd add a new discussion topic, as it's called, and we'll say I think it was called balancing equations. So there's a set of videos, and we'll say, please on this page. Now it's here we have to put in the link that we copied previously. So again, if down where the cursor is flashing there, we right click, you'll see paste appearing here. So that's the link that was up there, the hyperlink. Okay, let's wish them good luck. So, and down we go, and that's posted to the discussion. So that will be there for them to read. It'll also be sent out to their email. Okay, let's just test it, what it would look like for them. Oh, that's the previous one. Links to videos on balancing equations. Okay, that's what they'll see there. And there is the link, and see it's a live link. If they click on that, it will bring them to that page. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much for listening.